Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cook some vegetable chow mein and some garlic prawns. Please like, subscribe and share the video. And here's a list of the ingredients. Peel and chop garlic and onions for later. Heat some oil in a pan or wok. Begin to add the ingredients to a hot pan or wok and start the cooking process. I'm covering the pan to retain the heat because my hob isn't powerful at all. If you have a powerful cooker, you don't need to cover. Add the noodles bit by bit and stir as you are adding them. Add soy sauce a little bit at a time, taste it and add more if needed. Finally, to finish off, add some sesame oil and take off the heat to end the cooking process. Now to make the garlic prawns.